Hi everyone, my name is Minghan. Today let's talk about the flipped classroom. First, the definition flipped classroom. The simplest definition of flipped classroom, according to the reading, is events that have traditionally taken place inside the classroom, now taken place outside the classroom. In other words, students are watching lectures online at home but doing work at school. The rise of flipped classroom is the technological movement has enabled the amplification and duplication information at an extremely low case. And as technologies have been adopted and widely used, people overcome physical barriers to the free and open flow of information. So, the technological movement actually push us and give us an opportunity to free access to the internet. A great example of this can be the encyclopedia. And I think the most important thing of flipped classroom is 5 framework for the flipped classroom. So I'm gonna talk about this very in detail. Okay. The first one is learning styles, which means individuals have unique learning styles matching their learning experiences. For example, if I am a writing learning style student, means while I'm taking lectures, I prefer to taking notes and writing something when I'm listening to the professors, because in that way, it helped me learning better. The second one and the third one, I just put them together as peer-assigned and cooperative learning. Basically, cooperative learning includes 3 key parts. First one is students work in teams and together achieve learning goals. Secondly, labor divided between team members such that each individual takes responsibility for a different sub-goal. And last one, individual contributions are poured into a composite product to ensure that goal is reached. Actually, the cooperative learning can promote positive cooperative learning can promote positive interdependence and face-to-face interaction and individual accountability and small groups and interpersonal skills, and lastly, group self-evaluation. Those are to encourage students doing their learning together effectively during class time. And the fourth one is the one method teachers should really careful because it does effectiveness on skills is positive, but while we are doing the learning on knowledge, it becomes negative. And the last one, active learning. Active learning basically means any instructional method that engages students in the learning process. For example, students are taking notes or asking questions during class is active learning. Actually, flipped classroom cannot work without students' active learning and student-centered system. Well, let me talk about my reaction to the flipped classroom. Actually, I personally do not like flipped classroom because I prefer to having lectures face-to-face. So I want to hear about other people's questions and I want to hear about other students' opinions, and because I'm the one who really like easy to forget. So when I have a question, I just want to simply raise my hand and asking professor. Also, because in my nation, in rural areas, some children are not able to having Wi-Fi, so it might be limited for them to learning. And this is my references. Thank you.